Today, on Everyday Explained, we're breaking down a career path that is often overlooked but increasingly valuable: the skilled trades. While many young people are guided toward traditional university routes, there's a growing shift happening beneath the surface. In this video, we'll examine why trades are becoming a practical, financially stable, and strategic option, and how to approach this path in a way that actually works in real life. The term skilled trades refers to hands-on professions that require specialized training, rather than a traditional 4-year academic degree. This includes electricians, plumbers, welders, HVAC technicians, mechanics, and carpenters. These roles are essential to infrastructure, housing, transportation, and energy systems. Unlike abstract career paths, trades produce immediate, tangible results that directly affect everyday life. One of the most significant advantages is demand. In North America, a large portion of the skilled workforce is nearing retirement. This creates a supply gap that cannot be quickly filled. As a result, younger workers entering the trades are stepping into a market where demand often exceeds supply, increasing job stability and long-term opportunity. Income potential is frequently misunderstood. While entry-level wages may start modestly, many trades scale quickly with experience. Licensed professionals, especially those who specialize or operate independently, can earn incomes comparable to or exceeding many degree-based careers, without the burden of long-term student debt. A practical advantage often overlooked is the earn-while-you-learn structure. Apprenticeships allow individuals to gain experience on the job while receiving training. This reduces financial pressure and accelerates real-world skill development. Instead of accumulating debt, you are building both income and experience simultaneously. There is also a structural shift in education costs. Tuition fees have increased significantly over time, while trades training programs remain comparatively accessible. This changes the risk equation. Choosing a trade reduces upfront financial exposure while still offering strong long-term earning potential. From a lifestyle perspective, trades can offer flexibility. Many skilled workers have the option to work independently, choose contracts, or eventually start their own businesses. This level of control is not always available in traditional corporate roles and can become a major advantage over time. A useful strategy early on is to research local demand before choosing a trade. Not all trades are equally needed in every region. For example, HVAC technicians may be in higher demand in extreme climates, while construction trades may dominate in rapidly growing areas. Aligning your choice with demand improves job security. Another practical step is to pursue co-op programs or pre-apprenticeships during high school or shortly after. These programs provide exposure before full commitment. Many people underestimate how valuable early exposure is. It reduces uncertainty and helps identify whether the work fits your strengths. Tools are often viewed as a barrier, but this can be managed strategically. Instead of buying everything up front, start with employer-provided tools or basic kits. Build your collection gradually as income increases. This avoids unnecessary early expenses while still progressing in the field. Physical demand is a real factor, but it is often overstated or misunderstood. Many trades evolve into supervisory, diagnostic, or specialized roles over time. The key is to treat the early physical years as a foundation, while gradually moving toward higher skill, lower strain responsibilities. A lesser-known advantage is skill portability. Trade skills are often transferable across regions and even countries. Electrical, mechanical, and construction knowledge can be applied in multiple environments, making it easier to relocate or pursue opportunities in different markets. Certification plays a critical role. In many trades, obtaining a license or certification significantly increases earning potential and credibility. Understanding the certification pathway early allows you to plan your timeline and avoid delays in reaching higher income brackets. Networking operates differently in the trades compared to office environments. Reputation, reliability, and word-of-mouth referrals carry substantial weight. Consistently showing up on time, completing work properly, and maintaining professionalism can generate opportunities without formal applications. Technology is also reshaping the trades. Modern tools, diagnostics, and automation systems are becoming standard. This creates an advantage for younger workers who are comfortable adapting to new systems. Combining hands-on skill with technical literacy increases long-term value. A practical financial strategy is to treat early income carefully. Many new tradespeople experience a rapid increase in earnings compared to peers. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Instead, prioritize saving, investing, and building financial stability early while income is strong. There is also an entrepreneurial pathway. Many trades naturally transition into self-employment. Starting with small side jobs, building a client base, and gradually scaling operations can lead to owning a business. This is one of the clearest paths from employment to ownership. Work satisfaction is often higher than expected. Seeing the direct results of your work, whether it's a completed installation, repair, or structure, provides a level of feedback that many desk-based roles lack. This tangible progress can improve long-term job engagement. However, entry decisions should still be deliberate. Not every trade fits every person. Factors such as work environment, hours, and physical conditions should be considered realistically. Short-term exposure through part-time work or job shadowing can provide clarity before committing. A practical tip is to speak directly with people already working in the field. Online information is often generalized. Real conversations provide accurate insights into daily routines, challenges, and earning progression. This reduces the risk of entering a trade based on incomplete assumptions. Another overlooked tactic is specialization. Within each trade, there are niches that command higher pay and less competition. For example, industrial, electrical work, or advanced HVAC diagnostics often pay more than general residential work. Identifying these paths early can accelerate growth. There is also resilience built into these careers. Essential services do not disappear during economic shifts. While some sectors slow down, core trades, especially those tied to maintenance and repair, remain active. This adds a layer of long-term stability. For young people weighing options, the key takeaway is not that trades are better than other paths, but that they are often undervalued despite strong fundamentals. When approached strategically, they offer income, stability, flexibility, and long-term growth without the same financial risk. Thank you for watching Everyday Explained. Skilled trades are not a fallback, they are a functional, high-value path that solves real problems in the world. If approached with planning and discipline, they can provide both financial strength and long-term independence. The decision is not about following a trend, it's about choosing a path that works in real life.